Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the third lecture of a special series for SEBI Grade A Examination 2020. In our third lecture, we are discussing MCQs on Management Accounting. In this series, we are not only discussing the MCQs, but we are also understanding the important concept with the help of MCQs. So this series is very much useful for your upcoming SEBI Grade A examination. This year, SEBI has changed the syllabus drastically, so you need to buckle it up and you have to start preparation as soon as possible. Educare 247 has launched crash course for SEBI Grade A Examination 2020. In this crash course, paper 2 of phase 1 and phase 2 will be covered in very thorough manner, and general awareness section for paper 1 of phase 1 will be covered in this section. We are providing the detailed coverage of the syllabus. MCQs will be provided, 24/7 mentorship and call support will be there. Content will be crisp and concise. Live doubt session will be there. Today we are running the coupon code Holi hai. You'll get the course in 1999. The course fee is 2,999. Today we are giving 1000 rupees discount on the occasion of Holi, so you can subscribe to the course by visiting educare247.com. We are discussing MCQs on Management Accounting. This topic is mentioned in costing syllabus. If you will see the costing syllabus, it says that overview of costing and management accounting. So management accounting is mentioned here. Now you have to read the introduction of cost and management accounting, objectives and scope of cost and management accounting. For any topics, objectives and scope is very important, because you don't have to read in very detailed, because you will be asked very generic questions. So you need to know objectives and scope. Then you have to read the methods of costing. There are different methods like single output method, job costing method, batch costing, contract costing, process and operation costing, costing of service sectors. We are covering all the syllabus in detail in our course. You can subscribe to our course by visiting educare247.com. We have to read the basic of cost control and analysis, standard costing, marginal costing, budget and budgetary control. Then you have to know about lean accounting system. This is very important system. Lean means you have to reduce the waste. So costing will be done once you are removing the waste. So that all you have to read. Under this you have to read the just in time, Kaizen costing, 5As, total productive maintenance, cellular manufacturing, Six Sigma. This is manufacturing technique. This whole thing is inspired by the manufacturing. In manufacturing, for waste reduction, Six Sigma, 5As and Kaizen had been used, and from there they have derived the accounting of lean. So this is very important concept. You must remember that all concept. Let's discuss the MCQs on management accounting. The first question is, which of the following is the main aim of management accounting? The answer is to assist management in the formulation of policies. So basically, management accounting helps management and executive to take the decision and to frame the policies. Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, London, defined management accounting as the application of professional knowledge and skill in the preparation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in the formulation of policies and in planning and control of operation of undertaking. So for a company, you have to form the policies and you have to take control of the operation. For that you need information, and management accounting is arranging that information in such a way so that management can take a decision and they can form the policies. So this is the basic purpose of management accounting. American Accounting Association also defined the management accounting. It says it includes the method and concepts necessary for effective planning for choosing among alternative business action. So you have 5 different options. You have to choose one. For that you need data. Then you have the information about the data. Then you can take the decision. And it also evaluate the performance of the company. So basically management take decision on the basis of past performance. So you need to arrange data in such a way so that it can help management to take the decision, and for that we need management accounting. So this is very important concept. You must remember this important point. The next question is, for the regulators, which of the following accounting is being done? The answer is financial accounting. So financial accounting is the presentation of accounting information for stakeholders and regulators. It presents the financial position of entire time period. So this is very important. On the other hand, management accounting is the presentation of analysis of business activities of internal management to facilitate decision making. So this is for internal purpose and financial accounting is for external purpose, and regulator is the external bodies. So for that we have to prepare the financial accounting, and for internal decision we have to prepare the management accounting. You need to understand the difference between these two. This is very important concept. Let us understand the difference between management and financial accounting. If you will see the purpose of management accounting is internal, but financial accounting is external. It is for external parties, it is for shareholders, it is for regulatory body. So this is very important. And for regulation, it is not regulated by any law. Management accounting is not regulated, but financial accounting has to present as per standards. There are standards given for financial accounting, but there is no standards and guidelines for management accounting. What about users? Its users are the management of an organization, so it is internal party. And for financial accounting, its users are shareholders, investors and regulators. So mark these words. It can be asked in your options. So who are the users for financial accounting? The objective of financial accounting is decision making, internal decision making, and financial accounting is it aids in investment decision by outsiders and monitored by regulators. So when some shareholders have to take the decision, they will check the financial accounting. They have to invest in the company or not. What about mandatory? Presentation and preparation of management statement is not mandatory, but presentation and preparation of financial accounting is mandatory. It is ruled by the different regulatory agency. They have to prepare, and government has also provided mandatory provision for financial accounting. What about audit? So management accounting is not subject to audit, but financial statement must be audited. So this is also very important. Let's talk about frequency. There is no defined frequency for the preparation of management accounting, but financial statement must be prepared for financial year and presented. So for every financial year there must be a financial accounting statement. What about contents? Management accountants include both monetary and non-monetary information because it is for internal decision making, but financial accounts include only monetary information. So this is also very important. You must remember this important point. This can be asked in your upcoming SEBI grade A examination. The next question is, which of the following are not the tool of management accounting? The answer is human resource accounting. There are various tools for management accounting and we have grouped those tools in the list. Those tools are financial planning, financial statement analysis, cost accounting, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis, management information system, statistical techniques, management reporting, historical cost accounting, ratio analysis, standard costing, marginal costing, budgetary costing, revaluation accounting, decision making accounting. So these are the tool for management accounting, but human resource accounting is not the part of this tool. This is also very important. You need to understand all the important tools. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is step-by-step functions in which product or services must have customer usefulness is classified as which of the following? The answer is value chain. Value chain is a business model that describes the full range of activities needed to create a product or services. For a companies that produce goods, a value chain comprises steps that involve bringing a product from conception to distribution. So you conceptualize some product and then you work on that, and different steps are involved, and then it goes for distribution. The whole step is called the value chain. It includes the customer usefulness also. So this is very important. It can be from procuring the raw materials to manufacturing function to marketing activities. A company conducts a value chain analysis by evaluating the detailed procedure involved in each steps of its business. So for every steps there is a evaluation, how we can improve the efficiency, what are the wastage we can reduce, and how we can be more productive as a organization. So this is all about value chain. This is very important concept. You must remember this important point. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, subscribe to Educare 247 and share this video with your friends. Thank you and happy learning.